Hey everyone, HVAC repair guy here. I've got 17 years in the field as a technician, installer, and contractor, plus my background as a Navy nuclear electrical operator. Today we're doing a side-by-side comparison of two-stage heat pumps, the day and night, C5H8T, and the Maytag PSH4BF. I'm going to break down how they build these units, how they perform, and which one gives you the better long-term investment for your home. Before we dive into the specs, let's talk about who actually makes these units. Day and Night is manufactured by International Comfort Products, which is part of Carrier Global Corporation. Maytag HVAC systems are manufactured by Nortec Global HVAC, which is owned by Rheem Manufacturing. Starting with build quality and cabinet construction, both of these units are built for outdoor durability. The Day and Night C5H8T comes without a louvered coil, meaning it uses a wire grill setup to protect the coil. The Maytag PSH4BF features a stainless steel louvered coil cabinet, giving you full sheet metal panels surrounding the outer coils. Both systems come equipped with factory sound dampening compressor blankets to keep operating noise under control. Looking at heating performance, the Heating Seasonal Performance Factor, or HSPF, tells you how efficiently these heat pumps generate warmth during the winter. A higher HSPF means lower electric bills when running heat cycles. The Day and Night C5H8T pulls ahead significantly with an 8.5 HSPF2 rating, making it a stronger performer for cold climates and winter operation. The Maytag PSH4BF carries an 8.1 HSPF2 rating, which is solid for moderate winters but will cost slightly more to run in extended freezing weather. On the cooling side, both units operate as standard reverse cycle heat pumps, keeping your home just as comfortable in the summer as they do in the winter. Neither of these models uses a fully variable speed compressor. Both feature two-stage compressors. A two-stage compressor runs at low capacity on mild days for steady humidity control and long run times, ramping up to full capacity only when demand is high. Where they differ is the outdoor condenser fan. The Day and Night unit pairs its two-stage compressor with a two-speed condenser fan. The Maytag unit upgrades to a true variable speed condenser fan motor. Matching a two-stage compressor with a variable speed outdoor fan allows the Maytag to dial in airflow precisely, improving overall system comfort and extending equipment life. Noise levels are a big factor if a heat pump is installed near a bedroom window or patio. The Day and Night C5H8T measures as low as 67 decibels. 67 decibels is roughly equivalent to a dishwasher running or background conversation in a home. The Maytag PSH4BF registers between 75 and 78 decibels depending on tonnage, which is noticeably louder. That noise level compares to a vacuum cleaner running nearby or street traffic. Looking at equipment wholesale supply pricing, the Maytag PSH4BF outdoor unit typically ranges from $985 to $2,820 depending on tonnage. Equivalent Day and Night ICP two-stage outdoor units sell directly to licensed dealers between $2,200 and $3,800 for higher tonnage models. For real-world installed pricing, a Maytag PSH4BF project averages between $7,000 and $10,500 installed. A complete Day and Night C5H8T system replacement generally costs between $8,500 and $12,500 plus, depending on location and duct modifications. Warranty coverage is a major differentiator. Day and Night provides a 10-year parts limited warranty, a 10-year compressor warranty, and a 10-year unit replacement warranty if the compressor fails. Maytag steps up with a 12-year limited parts warranty, 12 years on the compressor, and a 12-year unit replacement warranty. Taking the entire package into account, including the louvered cabinet protection, variable speed fan motor, and 12 years of total unit replacement protection, the Maytag PSH4BF is my pick as the best overall choice for most homeowners.